Think penguins are just cute birds in tuxedos? Think again. They're small but seriously tough. Penguins can't fly, but they swim faster than most fish. Some reach speeds over 35 kilometers per hour. They're basically underwater rockets. Male emperor penguins incubate the eggs while the females hunt. They stand still for weeks in minus 60 degrees temperatures without food. Penguins have waterproof feathers and a thick layer of fat, keeping them warm even in the icy waters of Antarctica. Some penguins give pebbles as love gifts when trying to impress a mate. Icy romance, anyone? Penguins aren't just adorable, they're survival experts in tuxes. Follow for more mind-blowing animal facts.